Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are doing good. In this video, we will learn how to find out product of two matrices. Before finding out how two matrices are multiplied, we need to know the rule. Here is the rule. The number of columns in the first matrix must be equal to the number of rows in the second matrix. The number of columns in the first matrix must be equal to the number of rows in the second matrix. For example, order of the first matrix 3 by 3, order of the second matrix 3 by 2. When first matrix column should be equal to the second matrix rows, then only product is possible. So the resultant matrix, that is order of product matrix, will be 3 by 2. Here I will explain this with two examples. The first example is first matrix, order of the first matrix is 3 by 1. Order of the second matrix is 1 by 2. Here number of columns in the first matrix is equal to number of rows in the second matrix. So when number of columns in the first matrix and the number of rows in the second matrix are equal, so it is possible to find out the product of matrices. So second example, here we have first matrix. Order of this first matrix is 1 by 2. Order of the second matrix is 3 by 2. You can see 3 rows and 2 columns. Here number of columns in the first matrix and number of rows in the second matrix not equal. So it is not possible to find out the product of these two matrices. Now we'll solve a problem. The question is 3.67, page number 150. If A matrix is 1 2 0 3 1 5, B matrix is 8 3 1 2 4 1 5 3 1, find AB, which means product of A and B matrices. Given I have written A and B matrices. Now AB we have to find out. We'll write matrix A, that is 1 2 0 3 1 5. B matrix is 8 3 1 2 4 1 5 3 1. Here you see order of the first matrix is 2 by 3. Order of the second matrix is 3 by 3. Number of columns in the first matrix is equal to number of rows in the second matrix. So it is possible to find out the product of these two matrices. Now we'll tell you how to product these two matrices. You have to take first row with first column. 1 8s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 0 into 5, 0. This is the 1th element. Now first row with second column. 1 3s are 3, 2 4s are 8, 0 into 3, 0. Now first row with third column. 1 1s are 1, 2 1s are 2, 0 into 1, 0. The first row is over. Now the second row. Second row with first column again. 3 8s are 24. 1 2s are 2. 5 5s are 25. Now second row with second column. 3 3s are 9. 1 4s are 4. 5 3s are 15. Now second row with third column. 3 1s are 3. 1 1s are 1. 5 1s are 5. The next step is 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 0, 12. 3 plus 8, 11. 11 plus 0, 11. So 1 plus 2 is 3. The second row is 24 plus 2, 26. 26 plus 25, 51. 9 plus 4, 13. 13 plus 15, 28. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 5, 4 plus 5 is 9. So the answer is AB 12, 11, 3, 51, 28, 9. This is the product of A and B two matrices. We'll see more problems in the next video. Thank you for watching this.